Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. We are on problem 5 of chapter 5 practice test. Again, this is test for 8th grade students. Number 5, you can earn 5 points. The points on the coordinate plan show the different locations on a festival map. Each unit represents 100 feet. Select whether each statement is true or false. Alright, so we have the map on the right side, and the first question is the distance from the food stands to the closest restrooms is about 360 feet. So first of all, we need to look on the map and find out where is the food stands. Food stand is right here. Okay, and the closest restroom, I believe, is this one. Alright, so we're gonna find the distance from food stands to the restroom. Alright, so we're gonna look at the coordinate point. Food stands has the coordinate of 2, 8, and the restroom is 0, 5. Okay, we're gonna find the distance from food stands to restroom this direction. Alright, so I'm gonna use the distance formula. 2, 8, 0, 5. We're gonna label this point as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, distance formula. D equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, my x2 is 0 minus x1 is 2 square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 8 square. Okay, then we're gonna do is work this out. We're gonna solve for the square root. Okay, 0 minus 2 is negative 2 square plus 5 minus 8 is negative 3 square. That will be square root of negative 2 square is 4, plus 3 square is 9. 4 plus 9 is square root of 13. And square root of 13 is irrational number, so I need a calculator for this. Square root of 13 approximate as 3.6055. Alright, so we're gonna round it near it. I don't know if they give me an option or they tell you how to round it up. Nope, they didn't. So what we're gonna do is since each unit represents by 100 feet, so you're gonna multiply this by 100. Okay, so 3.60 times 800. So you just need to move the decimal point 2 places. So that will be 360 feet. It's about 360 feet. So this is true statement. Okay, we're gonna do the same for the next question. Distance from the forest state to the closest restroom. Okay, we're gonna look on the map. Forest state. Forest state is this one, and the closest restroom is right here. Okay, the coordinate point for this one is 3, negative 1, and the coordinate for the restroom is 1, negative 4. Okay, we will write on the side 3, negative 1 and 1, negative 4. So x1, y1, x2, y2, distance equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So that will be x2 is 1 minus x1 is 3 square plus y2. y2 is -4. Minus y1 is -1 square. Alright, we have negative and negative that turn into positive. Okay, that will give us square root of 1 minus 3 is -2 square, plus -4 plus 1 is their opposite side, so you're going to subtract them, give you -3 square. So -2 square give you 4, plus -3 square give you 9. Is square root of 13, and we did this before. It's about 3.60555, and then you time this by 100 because each box represents 100 feet. That's give you the same answer is about 360 feet, but this time they tell you is 1,300 feet, so this is a false statement. Alright, last problem for this one. The distance from the lake state to the information booth is about 583 feet. Okay, we're going to look at the map again. The lake state. I see it. Alright. Lake stage to the information booth. Okay, this time I'm going to do, you can do like we did last time with 2 distance down below by pick any 2 points and find the distance. I want to give you another option to do this. You can use Pythagorean theorem. Alright, so this, I'm going to connect these 2 points, and I also make a right triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on this side. Here my right triangle. I have the base is 1, 2, 3 units. Base is 3, and then the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, X is what I'm looking for, which is the distance from the lake stage to the information booth. Okay. By Pythagorean theorem, you have x squared equal to, I'm sorry, it's not x squared, it's c squared. I will start with the formula first. C squared equal to a squared plus b squared. C squared in this case is x squared equal to 3 squared plus 5 squared. So x squared equal to 3 squared is 9 plus 5 squared 25. X squared equal to 34. Then we're going to do a square root on both sides. So x equal to square root of 34 is 5.8309. And again, we're going to multiply it by 100. That will give you 583. It's about 583 feet. Okay, so you can use this method for the other two, or you can use the other two methods for this one and check my answer. So they say is the distance from the lake stage to the information booth is about 533 feet, so this is true statement. Again, for this problem you can use either distance formula or you can use the Pythagorean theorem.